Friends, Revolve command in Autocad 3D is used to create complex 3D solids or surfaces by revolving a closed or open 2D profile around an axis of symmetry. It is ideal for creating rotational parts like wheels, rollers, ducts, etc. Firstly, draw a 2D profile and a line of symmetry on the same plane. Type revolve in command line. Select the 2D profile. Select 2 points to define the axis of symmetry, or choose the object axis option. Type the angle of rotation like 360° for a full object, 180° for half an object. Now we will create water bottles lying on our office table. Now we'll create a profile for a wheel with shaft. If you want a solid shaft, close the line in profile, but if you want hollow one, keep it open. Now we create a duct. Lastly, we create a motor-like object. That is all in this tutorial about revolve command in AutoCAD 3D. If you find it useful, please like and subscribe.